Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this REALME. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Now you need to access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Then click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen from the list. Finally, you can click on the other app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!